Nowadays, we simply take things for granted and expect them to work properly without even thinking about it. However, back in the early 1900s, it was not always possible and certain. With time, professionals devised testing and product development techniques. This enabled the firms to adopt the best practices and ensure quality at scale. What is quality control, QC? Quality can be different for every person. In business, quality control, QC, refers to the process of inspecting and testing products or services to make sure that they are of a specific quality. This is done in an effort to allow companies to maintain and enhance quality over time. The primary purpose of QC is the detection and elimination of errors before products reach consumers. It does this through making detailed examinations of products or services at multiple levels of manufacturing. QC strives at preventing problems from occurring by improving the method of making things or offering. Quality control has two primary objectives: 1. To make the products as identical as possible, and 2. To keep errors and differences between them to a minimum. Key components of quality control. Quality control, QC, has many important elements, which include inspection, quality testing of products, materials, or services to determine defects or anything that does not meet standard. Testing, conducting tests to determine how well a product or service operates. Statistical process control, SPC, utilizing figures and statistics to track production and maintain everything within quality limits. Records and documents, keeping accurate records of notes regarding inspections, tests, and actions taken for solving problems. Corrective action, correcting quality issues and making sure they do not occur again. Training and education, training the employees in the abilities needed for maintaining quality. Continuous improvement, ongoing efforts to enhance products and services through analyzing data and feedback. QC is closely related to quality assurance, QA. QC identifies and corrects errors, whereas QA seeks to prevent errors from being made at all. QC and QA, in combination, enable firms to supply consistent products and services that meet customers' requirements and adhere to industry requirements. Quality check process. Quality checks are carried out at various levels of a business or manufacturing process. Workers check raw materials, in-process, and finished goods to detect defects early. Detecting defects early eliminates bigger problems in the future. For non-manufacturing organizations, quality testing could involve surveys, reviews, inspections, and audits. Whatever the industry, the objective remains the same: to ensure the end product or service is safe, as per customer specifications, and adheres to industry standards. Industry trends in QC. Quality control is crucial in most industries, but how it is carried out differs by industry. Production, examining raw materials and finished goods to make sure they are identical and free from any defects. Food industry, checking food for safety, ensuring that there are no toxic compounds, and compliance with health rules. Pharmaceuticals, ensuring that drugs are pure, potent, and safe for consumption. Software, testing software to find and fix bugs before release. No matter what the business, quality control makes clients happier, employees work more effectively, and generates trust. Types of quality control. Since quality is variable, quality control practices are variable by industry. They range from strict scientific testing in food and medicine to overall experience and feedback in others, such as education or coaching. The following are some general QC techniques. Control charts. Charts indicating the fluctuation of a process with time to verify whether it remains constant. Process control, employing technology and feedback to track and improve production. Acceptance sampling, testing a small numbers of products to see if an entire group meets quality standards. Process protocol, a methodical process that examines each step of production in order to streamline efficiency. Some businesses employ in-house quality control staff to inspect products, whereas others hire third-party experts to conduct the tests. Within food processing and other businesses, firms will test products in-house and then validate the results with third-party test labs. Why do we require quality control? What are the advantages? Quality control, QC, is important because it serves companies and consumers in various ways. The following are some of the important benefits. Customer satisfaction. QC guarantees the products and services meet or exceed customers' expectations, ensuring they are satisfied and repeat customers. Defect prevention. By detecting and fixing defects in the early stages, QC reduces the likelihood of expensive recalls or repairs. Cost reduction. Good quality control lowers waste and cuts production costs, which helps businesses work better. Compliance and regulations. QC ensures products follow industry rules and avoid legal trouble. Brand reputation. Quality products enable companies to establish a reputable and reliable brand. Increased efficiency. QC makes work smoother and faster, allowing companies to enhance their processes. Risk mitigation. Ongoing tests and inspections prevent problems from developing. Ongoing improvement. QC enables companies to continue improving products and services. Competitiveness. Quality products can enable companies to succeed in the global market. Customer loyalty. Satisfied customers are loyal and recommend products to others. Overall, QC ensures companies maintain good standards, prevent problems, and are competitive. It ensures customers receive reliable and high-quality products. Quality control job responsibilities and tasks. Quality control has many roles. It is distinct from quality assurance, QA. QA tries to avoid mistakes from happening, while QC inspects products to detect and fix mistakes. QC professionals utilize information and studies to inspect products against a norm. They also recommend alterations that must be made to improve quality. Unlike QA, QC targets the final product rather than the overall process. A QC professional is crucial at the time of product design because they make sure that the company's product meets market standards. They also transmit the things they discover to the managers and key stakeholders in the company. Quality control and quality assurance. People tend to interchange quality control, QC, and quality assurance, QA, but they are not synonymous. QC deals with verifying whether a product is of quality. QA emphasizes process enhancement to avoid defects. Over time, certain quality professionals transition from QA to QC as they progress in their career. QA teams make sure that products meet safety and quality standards, while QC is only a subset of the overall QA process. Jobs in quality control. If you enjoy problem solving and working with people, a career in quality control may be just right for you. Various industries require varying skill sets, but here are some of the most typical ones. A high school diploma for initial positions. An undergraduate degree. This varies with the industry. Experience in the field. Licenses or certificates, if applicable. Important skills for quality control experts: attention to detail, math and mechanical skills, technical knowledge, working under pressure. Career path in quality control. The career progression in QC is different in each industry, but generally, they start as quality assurance or QC associates. They can move to senior positions and become team leaders at a later point in time. Some businesses require additional training, such as Six Sigma certification, to enable workers to be more proficient at their tasks. Certifications like Certified Quality Inspector can also assist individuals in establishing their careers. Quality control salaries. Salaries of QC professionals also vary depending on experience and industry. With greater expertise and as managers, their salary increases. Based on the Bureau of Labor Statistics, average salaries are: scientific and technology services, $46,280, manufacturing, $40,020, wholesale trade, $37,800, office and support services, $30,070. What does quality control mean? Quality control is the way businesses verify and improve product quality. It is the process of comparing products to standards, testing, and improving manufacturing processes to minimize errors. Examples of quality control following are 3 food industry examples of quality control. 1. Inspecting the quality of ingredients. 2. Ensuring that suppliers follow safety rules. 3. Keeping factories clean and hygienic. Conclusion: quality control, QC, helps businesses make sure their products are good and safe to use. It checks for mistakes, saves money, and keeps customers happy. QC is important in many industries like food, medicine, and technology. When companies focus on quality, they build trust and make better products. If you like solving problems and paying attention to details, a job in QC could be a great choice. With the right training, you can help businesses improve their products and make customers happy. FAQs. 1. What does quality control, QC, do? Quality control is the inspection and testing of goods or services to make sure they are up to some standard. Quality control assists organizations in reducing errors and improving quality. 2. What are the 4 levels of quality control? The 4 primary forms of quality control are: process control, products are made properly; control charts, monitoring change over time within a process; acceptance sampling, sampling a few items to determine whether a whole batch is acceptable; product quality control, ensuring that final products meet quality standards. 3. Why do we need quality control? Quality control assists companies in maintaining a good image, gaining customer trust, and making their products reliable. It also saves money, makes things function better, and enhances customer satisfaction. 4. Can you give 3 examples of quality control? An automaker inspects every part of an automobile before it is marketed. A site examines how fast its pages load and corrects the slow ones. A store employs secret shoppers to inspect customer service. 4. Receive comments and revise. 5. How do you control quality? Inspection, quality check at various production stages. Statistical quality control, SQC, applying mathematics and probability for controlling and enhancing product quality. 7. What is the difference between QA and QC? Quality assurance, QA, seeks to prevent errors by improving the process. Quality control, QC, finds and fixes mistakes by inspecting products. QA is designed to avoid issues before they arise, while QC addresses